Details of the partnership between Bounty0x and Swissborg are available in the Swissborg press release. Both Swissborg and Bounty0x seek to develop the vision of community decision-making. We look forward to working with the excellent team that Swissborg has assembled to further this vision. Swissborg Bounty campaign details. The Swissborg Bounty campaign is live on Bounty0x here with $20,000 in bounties available for bounty hunters to claim. Bounty hunters can start completing the bounties now. The Swissborg Bounty campaign currently consists of one active bounty. In the future, this bounty campaign will expand to include many more bounties. The current bounty campaign consists of the following: 100,000 CHSB and 15,115 Bnty USD value. $20,000 bounty campaign is live here, giving away 3 1-week stays in a 7-star hotel. http://www.thebodrumbyphr.com in Bodrum, Turkey, equivalent of $20,000 each, $60,000 total. Swissborg Spotlight article. Coming soon. Bounty0x will be posting a spotlight article soon with information about Swissborg, the team, and their development roadmap. About Swissborg. Swissborg is an investment platform for the crypto generation built by investment professionals. Swissborg's investment team is combining its 90-plus years of experience from top investment firms with smart contracts technology to build the new future of investing. With the issuance of the Swissborg Network Token, CHSB, a multi-utility token, Swissborg will be the very first community-centric wealth management platform that is 100% aligned with the interests of all users. Token holders will have the opportunity to participate in the development of the Swissborg network through the concept of proof of meritocracy.